So I'm going to show you how to upload a document that will then be used to replace one of our forms in SIRAS. So this would be, for example, during an IEP meeting where maybe you're using paper, you passed around the meeting participation form, where maybe the consent page went home to the parent and they signed it and then sent it back, where the meeting notice went home, etc. It also, sometimes our behaviorists use it to replace the behavior intervention plan. So that's where some of those forms get replaced. So in order to do that, you're going to go to Upload Documents, and you're going to upload a file. On here, it's going to say Attach to or Replace Forms. Now, if you're just uploading a report, you don't need to replace any reports because you're not replacing a report. But if you're going to actually replace something, you're going to select which you are replacing. So if it's a pre-meeting form, like a notice of meeting, you'll replace that. If it's a basic IEP form, you're going to replace a basic IEP form. Now today, I'm going to be replacing the attendance page. Now notice that it says attendance page, not meeting participation. So sometimes the notes, or excuse me, the title may be a little bit different. So I'm going to select this, and I'm just going to put in meeting participation. I'm going to choose a file, and I'm going to scroll down to the file that I have right there, and I'm going to upload it. So now it's been uploaded. It's the attendance page, which will replace Form 10A, and I'm going to go back and scroll down. And you may look at it and be like, I don't see any difference. SIRAS, sometimes what it makes you do is you sometimes have to click on the form, and then you have to just exit back out. And when you exit back out, now it will show you that it's been replaced. So it'll show you meeting participation PDF. And if I click on that, you'll now see the PDF instead of the actual form. If you have any questions, please let your coordinator know. Thanks. Have a good day.